SolidSteel Parametric for SolidWorks has a huge feature set. But let's start with the basics, which is profiles, libraries, and sections. SolidSteel Parametric comes with a comprehensive profile library. This library contains a large number of international profile types like ASTM, GBT, or European standards. Of course, the library is customizable and extensible, so you can add your own profiles and rows of profiles. The profiles can be either rolled, cold-formed, or welded sections. SolidSteel Parametric can handle all profile types flexibly. The position of any profile can be changed independently of the system line. Profiles can be rotated along their longitudinal axis, moved parallel to their system line, and offsets can be set independently at the start and endpoints of the profiles. The start and endpoints of the profiles can also be reversed. In addition to typical steel connections, SolidSteel Parametric for SolidWorks provides several ways to cut profiles or place miter cuts after the profiles have been placed. A gap can be set in each trim function. Copes or notches are typical fabrication processes in steelwork, and can be found in many different situations. With SolidSteel Parametric for SolidWorks, even this complex type of cut is easily possible. You can manually set the tolerance, length, and height of the cope. Ease of use was very important to us throughout the design process. Typical steel connections such as end plates, gusset plates, or clip angle connections are not only placed in a matter of seconds, the intelligent selection of the software also enables the correct end plate to be selected for the selected profile section, for example. Various international libraries are available for this purpose, which can of course be individually expanded as required. In total, SolidSteel can create more than 500 different connections by combining various integrated functions. With the help of SolidSteel functions, entire assemblies such as wind bracing, K-bracing, or other frequently used components can be added to the design as a template and automatically adapted to the new installation situation thanks to the parametric. In addition to the classic connections such as end plates, gusset plates, and angle connections, there are of course many more specialized steel connections such as splice joints, haunches, base plates, and many more. In most cases, these connections are sufficient to create already complex steel structures. If not, a combination of standard connections can usually be used to create a structural steel connection. With the new custom joints feature introduced in SolidSteel version 5, you can now create your own connections, which can be either combinations of standard connections or even types of connections that were not possible before. By not possible before, we mean joints that are not standard joints or are highly modified standard joints, such as this example.